everyone, Melissa Gross here, and I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how you can share your washi tape. Now, many of us have a collection of washi tape, and washi tape rolls tend to have lots and lots of tape on them. Some of them have 10 yards, 20 yards, and it's fun to be able to share this. What I like to do is create like a little sample card so that I can give this to a friend and they have some of these washi tapes to use. Now, if you're attending my class in June of 2018, we're going to be doing a washi tape swap. So here's what I am suggesting. I took a little piece of white cardstock, just cut that. This is about 1.5 inches wide by 5 inches, and it will hold 4 different samples. Here you can see I've got some different width. You know, washi tape comes in lots of different width. So the traditional is about this size. I'm going to start with that. Basically what I do is I'm just going to wrap this around the cardstock, and the trick is to wrap it on top of itself. So when I come around, I want to wrap it straight, and then I'm going to come right over the same washi tape. That way it's easy to come up and it's not sticking to the paper. Even though washi tape is removable, after a while it does begin to stick to the paper and become more permanent. What I typically do, and I'm going to try to count and talk here at the same time, is go around about 15 or 18 times. So I'm just going to count this off real quick because I don't think I can do it at the same time. So I think this is 7. And I'm just, again, trying to stay right on top of the other washi tape so it will come off easily for the friend that I'm going to share this with. All right, I think I am like 12, and I may speed this up on the video if I can remember how to do that. 13, 14. I'm just doing each side. You could count as you go all the way around as one, but from previous experience, it's very hard to keep up with where you are. So I've gone 18 times, and then what I do is I just tear this. I try not to tear it like on the edge here. It's harder to find the edge. We all know sometimes it's hard to find the washi tape edge as it is. So I just leave it there. And now, since this is about 1.5 inches, so I've gone around 18 times, so we know they've got 20 something inches of washi tape. You could do more or less depending on whatever you want to do, depending on how much washi tape is on the roll or the reason that you're sharing it. So then I just do the same thing continually, going around, you know, find that end, get it started. Again, you really want to line it up straight so that as you come around each time, it's easy to go right back over the tape that you already have down, and you just want to count and continue to go around, and then you will eventually end up with a little card like this. This one has 4 different samples. If you're coming to the class, you're welcome to do 2 washi tapes, 4, you know, whatever you'd like to do. I would request that each person do 2. I know some of you have more. Some of you have a larger collection of washi tape than others, so feel free to include 4 if you would like, and you can include those in different sizes. You know, if I were doing a thinner tape, I would be able to put, you know, maybe another one on this same card. Again, you can make your card any size that you want. You could do this wider. I've seen people who do them for 2 inches. I would not go much wider than that because you are, again, trying to wrap it right over the previous tape so that it will come off easily when someone is ready to use this. They can just pick that end up and they're able to take this off, and then they have some washi tape to use. It's a lot easier to line it up the narrower your piece of cardstock is. So I'm going to get to work putting together some more of these for my classes that are coming up in June. And I hope to see some of you there. And if not, I hope this has helped you and given you just a fun way that you can share all of that fun, decorative, creative, happy washi tape that you have in your stash. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.